Hello guys, this is another KDF channel video. Today it's gonna be a DIY budget video and how I built this small paint booth at home with only $200. This is a super budget project compared to the inflatable Chinese that's in my opinion is not so practical because it's too big and you have to disassemble it every time, and if it rains or if it's a heavy wind, I'm not sure. So I'm gonna guide you through the whole thing. So basically I bought the tent on eBay. This one was for sale for around $120, $140 if I'm not mistaken. You actually have to wait when it's on sale. Then I bought that fan on Marketplace. Guy was selling that for $50 because he said it was overheating. What I did is I replaced the bearings. It's still overheating, but I'll show you later how I fixed that overheating problem. So this tent is 20 by 10 feet and it's all closed. So what I did is, obviously I assembled the whole thing. It took me maybe like, I don't know, like 2 hours. It's not so difficult. I've been working inside this tent for around 2 years. I use it a lot because I do paint wheels, I paint small car parts. This is my first time painting a whole thing. So actually it's kind of a coincidence that I'm shooting this video while I'm painting. This truck is already done. I just put the clear coat on it like a couple hours ago. I already have these pieces ready. And when I assembled this tent, the angle of those connections right there, it's like a 45 degree. So what I did is I opened the angle so the width of the tent is bigger. So I think right now this guy is 15 feet. Well, I think originally, I think I'm wrong, it's 20 by 15 if I'm not mistaken, but I'm not sure. But what I know is that when it's the original size, it's gonna end up around here, like right here and right here. So you don't have space to paint a whole car. Now you can see I have, I don't know, maybe like 5 feet of distance, maybe 4 feet, and you can paint your car like with more space. Then the height, I'm not sure, maybe around like another 10 feet height. It reduced the height because when I changed the angle. So what I did is, when you have this big fan blowing a lot of air, it creates a incredible amount of pressure. So what I did is I sealed the whole thing at the bottom with pieces of wood that I had around my house. You have to seal the whole thing because if not, then the air is gonna go inside and a lot of dust, sand, whatever is gonna come inside. That was my first issue when I bought this. So then I opened, this is the inlet for the paint booth. I'm using this filter. I think it's Flanders Easy Flow. Comes a lot of air inside. So basically I've tested it. No dust, no small particles come from that, but the flow is huge. So basically it travels around the truck, or when I don't have a car inside here, it goes straight outside. And let me tell you, when I paint with clear coat, I can't see the clear coat for more than 3 seconds inside the paint booth. So it's really good. You can see it already. I already did like a small patches around here because it rains a lot here in Florida, so I don't want water coming inside the paint booth. So I already have the fan on. I have this little fan on because I bought that one and overheats after, I don't know, 30 minutes. So with this backup, it won't overheat. I'll fix that later. But this is what I wanted to show you is, this is the, I would say, the inlet, and look how the the wind is going over there. So let me grab a piece of, I don't know, maybe a piece of plastic. Look at this. You see, this is what we want. We want the fan or the airflow to travel like this on top of the car, and then exhaust here. You can see everywhere it's sealed. I do have some small leaks like in here, but I put a like a small filter. I do have another leak here, but it works. This is where I test my spray pattern. You can see the small holes. It's because the sun here in Florida, it's crazy. It's whatever you have outside, it will kill it. So I'm almost ready to paint, and this is what I want to show you. Let me bring my gun here and you'll see what happens with the paint. Look at this. Look where it goes. Well, it's difficult to tell, to be honest. But anyway, it goes away immediately. In the past, I had a lot of problems with the clear coat staying inside the booth, and it's crazy. I don't know how many, how do you measure the amount of air going out, but when I paint with clear coat, immediately goes away. It's incredible, and you can tell the pressure I have here. Look when I touch this. It's super tight. It's a wonderful pressure I have inside my paint booth. So right now I'll proceed to paint. You saw already like the most important steps of this. So basically that's all I did. I mean, super easy. I only spent like $200. I hope you like this video. I hope it gives you an idea on how maybe for a budget paint your whole car at the backyard or any place you can paint your car. I have my compressor. I have a small I would say garage like right next to this tent. So basically that's it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment in the comment section what do you think about this idea, and I see you on the next one.